So I worked 8 hours a day, 5 days a week as a 16-year-old, and here are my thoughts on it. So working your first minimum wage job can be very exciting or very frustrating depending on how you feel about it. But what's really exciting for everyone is getting your check at the end of the week, and this is the trap that most of people fall into while you're essentially getting your time taken away by money. You're getting paid a certain amount for 1 hour of your hard work, and you're unable to make more than that, and this can be an issue for a lot of people, especially if you're only making minimum wage. Now, for the people that are making something like 15, 17, when you're starting as a 16-year-old, it's alright. But the thing is, you don't want to be living like that your entire life, as essentially you're going to be making minimum wage your entire life. I personally think that working for minimum wage is not the best option, especially at your teenage years through maybe 25, because you have all the strength in the world to be doing something else. Let's say you take 30 minutes of your life finding the product and then reselling it. That's essentially a $20 profit for every 30 minutes, and if you do this twice in an hour, that's $40. You're already making more than minimum wage. Remember, this might not take a day, 2, 3, maybe a week, even a month. But the thing is, after you're listing that product, if someone buys it, you're making money, which is the goal that you want to do. You want to make money while you're doing nothing. Unlike in your job where you get paid $15 to $16, $17, $18, $19 an hour, and you're unlikely and most definitely not going to make more than that in that specific amount of time. If you guys want me to go onto Facebook Marketplace to find something that's pretty low and sell it for pretty high just to show you guys that it's possible, let me know by liking this video and commenting down.